Hi, this is Henry from Henry's Bird Room. Welcome. I got some cool stuff to show you. I'm going to show you the origin or the way they made the real red canary. The real red canary comes from a red siskin, or in Spanish is cardinalillo. It's a process of a lot of crosses. At the beginning, you might end up getting some mules, but the end result is a beautiful, gorgeous, pure red canary that you may not ever need to give it any color. But it's a little bit of a process. There's also a black canary that is made by a cross of a black siskin. Okay, same result, same process, except that the black siskins have a yellow bar on the side of their wing. Sometimes, if you're lucky, there's a type of black siskin that doesn't have it. But sometimes with canaries, they're not compatible. But the yellow one is. You have to actually the same thing with the crosses. You could use either a blue, a really dark blue, with all the markings that you may want, like the black legs, the black nails, or a dark green with the same characteristics, and you will get a really dark black canary. It may take you a while, but you will get it, and you will get it with the black markings on the top of the beak, and you will get it with the black legs and with the black feet. Okay, it's just a little work, but if you want to try, it will work. It just takes, you have to be patient. Okay, but I'm going to show you now. I have also a ivory red frost that I have here. Okay, but I'm going to show you first the siskin cross that I have here, so you can see the markings and all the cool stuff that makes it. Okay, here you go. As you can see the markings on top of the beak, by the eyebrows, and the top, and the black on top of the beak. Okay, and around the eyes, it's like finch-like. You also see it has the black legs, the black nails, okay, and the black under the tail, okay. Unfortunately, the person who had it crossed it with a lighter canary. That's how come it has the white bib under it. But it is a siskin cross, okay. It's a really nice canary. I believe it's a male, but it's still kind of young, so I'm waiting and see what comes out of it. So let's check it out together and see. Okay? Let me put them back. Now I want to show you the red frost that I have here. Okay? This is a perfect red ivory frost. Okay, you can see the frost on top of the head and around the bib. Okay, unfortunately, it's molting somewhat. The person who had it, the room was kind of hot, so it turned out that way. Okay, but you see all the markings, the pink and everything. That's the red ivory frost. Okay, I believe it's a male too. So it should start showing itself pretty soon. Okay, so let's put them back. Okay, now so there you go. Okay, so look forward to seeing you guys again. Okay, give me your likes, your views, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit it hard. Okay, talk to you soon.